Hey gang, what's going on? It's Coach Mike with your morning motivation. Gang, this week it's all about time. It takes time. We can't expect to have these overnight changes, and that's kind of one of the problems that we run into on a day-to-day. We want everything right now, right? We have fast food, we have microwaves, all of these things that makes things just happen at the blink of an eye. But gang, to reach these goals and to achieve those things that you want, it takes time. You got to stay a course. You have to be committed, and you have to give it the time that it takes to get to where you're going. Listen, you didn't end up in the situation that you're in overnight, so you can't expect to change it in one night, right? So what I always tell my people is I say, listen, you didn't end up where you are in one day, right? You're not going to change it in one day, so there's no sense in getting hurt today, right? So this week, gang, I want you to really focus on spending that time. Find those small measurable goals, those things that we can do over a short period of time of maybe 3, 5, 7 days, right? And we can look at those and we can have some achievements there. But to think that we're going to have these incredible, amazing results overnight, it's just not going to happen. Gang, this week I want you to really focus on putting the correct time in, making sure you're staying committed, and making sure you're staying a course. Gang, I'm Coach Mike. This is your morning motivation. Remember, let's start the fire. Hey, gang, you stuck around. Fantastic. We have a lot of incredible things coming your way, guys. We have a brand new website that's getting ready to launch, Blaze45 Fitness online. From there, you're going to be able to get tons of free workouts. You'll be able to join programs, meal plans, a lot of awesome stuff there. But the only way for you to know is to go and hit that subscribe button now. Also, follow us on our social media. They're right down here. Click one of those. Make sure you follow us. And got some awesome news for you. That next video is getting ready to start. Go ahead and click that now. Gang, it's time to start the fire.